That's the funk in the basement arrangement. Funkee Apeman's to estranged and deranged shit. I'm cooking seitan and jasmine rice. Comrades propaganda looking extra nice. Pulling overtime, double shifts, extra nights. There's no rest when the press get your mental right. There's more work to do, everybody tired as hell. I open in some dead signs could tell how we provide for each other well. Climbing the hill, Vaudeville villains are met with honors. Honor your skills that you hone in the struggle. Practice your rebuttal at home, so when you in the field you strong. Strawman arguments get abolished quick. I'm reading out, goddamn, yo, we find that shit. Comrades reading shit by the PCP, while the words make a strip like it's LSD. Then we go and smoke shisha and get in for free. We ain't here for the club but the company, and that's word to the watermelon man. Get the fuck out the space if you're only here for the skins. Too much fuck shit stay happening. Don't wanna battle comrades but bomb the headquarters on your punk ass. Sometimes the shit is necessary, much like revisionism that shit getting buried. Charlotte is the place that made me who I am. That's why I'm so damn crazy. Now on the real, that's how I feel. Since the 030 UTCA before I elope. Now I'm grown with, but grown with the do. What good is politics if I can show it to you? What good's an Apeman if he ain't making the beats that make you wanna grab an AK and take it to the streets? Fuck police, I'll defend those I love myself. Fuck property, I don't wanna work just to sell. I'll grab a mic and I'll teach you how to use it to make sure the words ain't only for amusement. I wish power could be balanced just by music, but that would be to give in to embarrassing illusions. Sad saxophone playing for your exit. Rise up like off-world nexus. This awful rope around my neck is gonna make me strong when I take it off to practice. Swinging it at those that try to take my breakfast, saying I should be happy with crumbs while the biscuits are flexing. I want the hags and the hash browns plus the truth. I don't want that shit if my neighbor can't have it too. Okay, that line didn't work. Yo, cut the beat. Let me rewrite that shit real quick.
Cut that shit off.